मेरा प्लान था AWS सर्टिफिकेशन करने का काफ़ी अरसे से, 2 साल पहले से, बट मेरा हौसला नहीं पड़ रहा था कि मैं करूं, क्योंकि दिस सर्टिफिकेशन वाज रियली एक्सपेंसिव और इसकी प्रिपरेशंस भी आपको काफ़ी चाहिए होती हैं। My name is Nauman Arshad, and I am a senior consultant data scientist in one of the big companies in Pakistan. So this wonderful initiative by Government of Pakistan, Government of Punjab, provided me opportunity and confidence to get this certification and get reimbursement as well. So it's not just going to upskill your skills, but it also reimburses or covers all the cost of the certification. So I think this is the right time for you to get yourself certified. It will not only support your AWS cloud services career, it will help you understanding cloud services, Google Cloud, Azure, you name it. You can do it in any cloud you want. There are a bunch of certifications, and I think all of those are covered by this initiative. So I really encourage my fellow colleagues, IT professionals, IT engineers, and students to get yourself certified and get reimbursement from Government of Punjab.